Hi guys. Welcome to Tech Y2K. Today we are going to show you how to install Skype and create an account. First, you have to go to this URL and click on the Get Skype for Windows. Give a location to save it. Now Skype is downloading. Now go to the file location and run the installation file. Click the Install button. Now Skype is installing. Now installation completed. Now click on the Let's Go button. Click on Sign In or Create. If you already have Skype account, you can log in with your email address or phone number. At this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a new Skype account. Click on the Create one. If you wish to use your phone number for Skype account, you can use it like this. I am going to use the email address for creating a Skype account. Provide a password for your account. Now you have to give your first name and last name, then click on the Next button. Now you will receive verification code to your email. You have to copy and paste it. Now verify you are not a robot. Click on the Next button. Now select your country and provide your phone number. This will help to secure your account. Provide the security code you received. You can add an image to your account and click Continue. You can test your audio settings in here. Click OK. Now we successfully created the account. You can use this Echo Sound Test service for test audio and video settings. Search and add contacts to your account like this. You can make a call using this icon. chat with others and enjoy. I hope this is useful to you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.